Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Vinny and you're watching Dirty Offroad. As some of you may know, one of the biggest issues we're having with the Jeep JL is vibration over 40 miles an hour. We redid all the steering components, even put in a brace box, and it's worse now than it was before. So before we go crazy, buy new wheels and tires, I borrowed wheels and tires off the JK. So the JK runs a 37, the JK runs a 33, where the JL runs a 37. So we threw the 33s on the JL to see if that's going to help or not. Now, when reviewing or going over the tires from the JL, one of the tires, which is this front tire here, is shaped like an egg. That could easily be the problem. But we've been jumping through hoops, so I'm hoping this will give us a sign that we're kind of getting in the right direction. So let's go for a test drive. Taking the Jeep for a test drive, and look, she has no diesel. Man. All right, we got fuel, put diesel in, $5.39 a gallon. The other thing is, I set up my phone with Waze to see if the speedometer is accurate. Also, I tried to get air, but the air machine is broken, of course, because why wouldn't it be? You know? Oh shit! There goes my phone. All right, just need a ballpark idea. I want to know how close or far we're off. I'll tell you this. I went over 50 and it drives so damn smooth. So nice. Like a totally different Jeep. All that front end work we did. And what's crazy is these tires are not at the correct PSI. They're definitely low. So let's see here. Okay, here we go. Speedometer 35, 40, and we're doing 40 on here, 41. So it's pretty spot on, actually. So that's a good sign. So let's get this up to speed, show you the steering wheel. No shake, 55. Sorry, this isn't the best view. And probably not the safest thing to do in the world, but let's get it up. Come on. Okay, 55, no shake. This thing drives awesome. There's a slight pull, but I could deal with that compared to... Definitely a slight pull, but I could deal with that compared to what it was like at 50 miles an hour. So I think the next thing to do is let's grab Amanda and have her take it for a test drive if she's available. All right, we got Amanda. No, I didn't touch that at all. We have Amanda in the vehicle. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, so please drive. Drive anywhere.
Oh, you put gas in it.
Yeah, you owe me $40.
Thanks. I just realized, I was like, oh shit, I think it's out.
It was out. That's okay. Okay, let's focus on you and your driving experience.
You're gonna be like last time where I get excited and then I'm like, oh, just kidding.
No, I promise you, this is full happiness. Sorry, I moved your chair too, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I moved it.
My bad. How do you feel?
Feels good so far, but
Go ahead, get it up. That's what she tells Michael.
I was just gonna say that's what she said.
You'll notice some screeching of the tires. The tires need some air, but we don't have an air thing at the shop.
Screeching of the tires.
Well, because there's torquey. The program is very torquey. Or you could turn it down. So I'm sure you're gonna be pretty happy. You're gonna want to drive to Orlando.
Maybe I can drive to Key West this weekend.
Yeah, there you go.
We had truck issues, and Michael wouldn't let me take this all the way to Key West.
Sounds like Michael. All right, come on, let's go.
Well, I was trying to see because this is around where it gets sloppy. I feel like these tires are louder than my big tires.
They probably are, but man, there's so much.
Yeah,
better.
there's like no
it pulls
shaking.
a little. It does pull
yes,
a little.
but
bit.
like it's not.
Go faster. Feels good. Feels good, doesn't it?
So.
Isn't it nice to drive a Jeep that doesn't want to shake apart?
It's so nice, but now I got to figure out if it's my tires or the wheels.
So next step is going to be. Well, I think I found the tire. I think I found the culprit. The culprit. We have an egg.
Yes, but.
Oh, what?
The issue was as soon as we put those tires on.
Yes.
And I feel like we would have noticed because we've swapped out and taken off and all that 20 times. You don't think we would have noticed if it was the tire this whole time?
Well, what my point is, what I'm trying to say is, I'm going to try one more thing. We know now it's not.
Yeah.
It's not the vehicle. It's not the steering components. This, should be a phenomenal drive. But now we know it's definitely the wheels and tires. So we're going to try one more thing and go from there. Deal?
Deal.
All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.